welcome back to Jack and Ilona's kitchen. And today, another great dish. We have for you some salmon. We're gonna fry this. It's gonna be delicious. You're gonna enjoy it. First thing you do, get your salmon, grab a knife, and we bought this from Costco. So it was a large piece. You cut it to your taste, however you want it. We love this dish, so we're going a little bit larger than usual. So go ahead and slice it. One slice, two slices. One for me, one for my wife. So you got that sliced, put that aside, get your pieces. Very simple, it's not gonna take much. You can go ahead and take the gloves off. Now what you'll do is salt and pepper to taste. You can be generous with the salt. Okay, that is your salt. This is your pepper. And you can start frying. Okay, so we're getting the frying pan for the fish ready. First thing you do is put some oil, add some butter, and just let that work in. Okay. Now, we also have another pan here, and we are getting this ready for the sauce, okay? But we still have time for that. So, first thing is gonna be the fish. Okay, so it's just about ready. You want it on medium heat, so you don't burn it. Okay, so that's ready. We grab our fish, and put it straight in. Perfect. Okay, so this is gonna cook for about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. So we haven't seasoned this side of the fish, right? So we're gonna go ahead and season it now. Again, you could be generous with the salt, some pepper. Okay, so that's your fish. Now you can see it's changing color, and what that means is it's cooking. You could turn it down a little bit more just so you don't burn it. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to the sauce. Okay, you're gonna need some oil. You're gonna need some butter. Okay, as that's working, you can go ahead and get your garlic ready. You're gonna squeeze some garlic in there, and you can do it now. You don't have to wait, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait until we're ready to flip the fish. Okay? You can let the butter and the oil mix. Get that nice and ready. You can go ahead and cut your lemon. Okay, get that ready. And you're keeping an eye on the fish. Okay, so as it's cooking, you can see that it changed color. So we're gonna go ahead and check the other side, make sure we're not burning it. And we're not burning it, it's still cooking. It's getting nice and crispy. We got our oil and our butter continuing on this side mixing. That's good to go. We have our garlic and our lemon. We're just waiting on the fish. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. You don't want to overcook it. Okay, see how it's nice and crispy? That's a good sign. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and squish our garlic. You can turn this on low, you don't need it to be on high. You can put as much garlic as you like. Okay, so that's good. Get your lemons. Go ahead and squeeze the lemons. Be careful. Okay, so that's good. Perfect. Trust me, this is gonna taste delicious. Okay, give it about a minute, minute and a half. Just let that simmer. You can leave it on low. You can go ahead and check your fish again. Perfect. Cooking. Okay, so the sauce is ready. You can just put it off to the side. Now what's left for the fish? Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so our fish is ready, our sauce is ready. You can go ahead and turn your stove off, and it's ready to plate. Okay, here we go. All right, there's your fish. There's your delicious sauce. And next, and of course, we're gonna be topping this with some tarragon. It is delicious. You're gonna love it. With the sauce, it works in really good. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.